Good morning and welcome to another day in Copenhagen. Today is our second last day in Copenhagen, and today's the day that Sissel is taking us out to do lots of things that she likes to do, which is very nice because Sissel is a local Copenhagener. She lived here many years before she moved to Korea, so also she just has like this local feel, you know, she knows people, she knows places, and she's taking us to a concert and a little bit of like that, so it's a little bit easier to show Jake Copenhagen, you know, through her eyes rather than mine. My only relationship to Copenhagen was the fact that I worked here for a year, but I didn't live here. So it's kind of interesting to see today. I'm actually really excited. So we're gonna head out and have a little bit of breakfast right now before we are gonna meet her at a place called Revshaløen. It's like a street food place. We were supposed to go there yesterday. Didn't end up going, but now we're gonna go and it's gonna be great. And I'm showing a lot of boobies. But it's gonna be hot. There's a heat wave in Europe, so I hope the rest of you guys in the more southern part of Europe is staying safe. I know that it's very scary. There's a lot of fires and global warming is scary. But yeah, I hope you're staying safe. Let's get out and have some breakfast. Look at what we bought yesterday. We bought some, I think not really authentic jjajangmyeon. And some gukkaejang Jake was craving. The outfit of today is a little blue silk moment. I kind of wanted to wear like a flowy skirt or something, but I didn't have enough panties that fit underneath. So this is what we're going with. I think it's good. It's probably the best solution either way when it's so hot, to have something flowy and lightweight.
Sunrise in my eyes, just like a new day, a breath of fresh air in my life. I don't know how, don't know why.
Was there only wood?
Oh, yes. Oh, you don't want to, right?
Oh, I hate wood.
Okay.
Was there not something else?
I think it's a fork, but not knife.
That's okay, I'll just do this.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's okay. As long as I don't have to...
There's a spoon though.
And yeah, because I'm not gonna suck on it, so it's okay.
Okay.
Someone else has like the fear of biting on wood. Just the thought of it makes me want to like gag. This sourdough looks so good. Are you kidding me? Ooh. Good butter.
We're missing maple syrup.
Yeah.
Jesus was an ancestor of influencers.
I think so. Generation.
Imagine him having a YouTube channel. Fire.
We're waiting for Sissel now. I think she should be just around the corner. Our tour guide for today. And Jake, he just got a nap in the sun. Look nice. Det er sgu da ikke dig i kjole. Jeg har aldrig set. Jeg har ikke set dine ben i et år, mand.
Just like a new day, a breath of fresh air in my life. I don't know how, don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life.
We're going for our lunch at Dyrehaven, it's called. So we're gonna sit outside and have some good food. Jeg er faktisk meget til det IPA, tror jeg. Okay, so now that's the same letter, Y.
Yeah.
How do you say it then with the Y instead? instead of the RY.
Now tire. Hang.
Yeah, oh, that was really good. 10 points. That was 10 points for Jake. It's good.
So I'm officially Danish.
Yeah, you are. Especially with the amount of beers that you've been drinking this past week.
I feel like you got like your entrance to this trip. Like she's really like dropped you into the thing. Like you arrived and then you had to go on a train and take.
Yeah, that was actually really unfair. I felt very bad, and he was wrecked. That was 20 hours.
You have 2 planes, 2 trains, a Boston, a ferry.
And she's like, "You can do that for me, can't you?"
Yeah.
And then also after that,
you know her so
and
well.
after that, and also like be nice for my family.
Yeah.
Like, oh, you stay up.
Because I ended up with like a eggs Benedict kind of thing, but it's with salmon instead. We spent a couple of hours laying and just chilling. Jake, he took a nap. It was very sweet. I feel like we needed to give him a little bit of a moment to breathe, but we just unlocked some bikes and we're going to a concert. Yay. Same place as I went last year with Sissel before she moved to South Korea. Has a lot of memories. He got his electric bike. Very necessary.
Girls, we got pedals.
They're pedals! Oh my god, this burger! Var det ost? Ja. It's like a cheese patty. I don't know, but it tastes good. Good morning again, guys. We spent the morning checking out from our Airbnb and into a hotel here in the other end of Copenhagen. Jake is finishing up some work and I'm going shopping, so I just grabbed a little donkey bike here and I'm ready to go. Can't wait to buy some pants. Haven't been able to buy pants for a year now, so.
Salty breeze and the waves, slow pace. Salty breeze and the waves. I'm at a right place.
We have arrived. This little square here is seriously one of my favorite places in Copenhagen. It's so cute. Okay, I'm meeting Sissel and her friend at a thrift shop, I think it is. So I'm gonna see if I can go there now. Thrift shopping is really big in Copenhagen. In generally, like Copenhagen is just a very sustainable city, I would say. Just in general, you see literally most of the youth here caring a lot about the environment, going in secondhand clothes. Thankfully, it's kind of like become a trend in Copenhagen, and I'm hoping that it will be that somewhere else as well soon.
This this boot store is like family owned, and the guy who owns it, he has learned how to do boots and like boot things from his dad, and he's so sweet and oh, it's the best boots ever.
Okay, just look at the signs.
I mean,
Hvad for en størrelse har du? Skal vi slås om det? Hej. Okay, jeg har 38, og du er 39, ikke? Det klarer vi det bare.
These boots were made for walking,
And that's just what they'll do.
one of these days these boots are gonna walk all over you.
Bing, bing, bing. Bing, bada, bing.
hej. Goddag. Må vi godt komme ind?
Selvfølgelig må I det.
Ej, fantastisk spejl.
Ej, det vil jeg have.
Ja.
Jeg også godt prøve.
Jeg tror, han har haft nogle hængende herinde, faktisk.
Nå.
Måske. Altså, han selv har tid. Jamen, han er begyndt at sådan syg.
Ej, de er jo sexy, de her.
Ej, wow. Også fordi man kan se, de er ægte, eller hvad man siger.
Ja. Hvor står der størrelse på henne?
I bunden.
Ej.
Hold nu ferie.
Ej, det bliver det farligt.
Dream boot.
Nice. Det bliver spændende at få dem her af igen, de sidder. I'm really digging this. I'm really digging it. What is that? A green boot? No, I shouldn't. I have too much green already. This is beautiful.
Smooth pricey.
Ah, okay. Okay, I found this thing that looks like a pajamas, like some pajama pants, and then a matching shirt too. I think it looks so cute. I'm just a sucker for matching sets, to be honest. Nothing makes me happier than matching sets. I love Danish fashion. We got everything we need,
got
maybe? Maybe not, who knows?
I think you need a couple of more items
A
actually.
little bit more. Can you pull something up on my back?
Yeah, or maybe like in front of your face, kind of.
Yeah, right. A little bit.
Yeah.
A veil, like.
Yeah.
Hey, look at it.
Uh-oh. Var der noget? Nej.
Ah, okay.
Ej, det er lidt for hissigt, ikke?
Ja, det er for hissigt.
Nej.
Tak.
Ej,
den er flot.
When you wake up in the evening, love left an empty space.
Okay.
Okay, det bliver spændende.
Tak.
Are you confident?
Yeah, I'm just refreshing which was
You
backing
didn't do
up.
well last year, so.
Huh?
You got
Yeah, it was good. No one else wanted to do it. They just left me with the.
I'm so like
You don't know how to do it?
I've never tried it. Someone else does it, and I'm sure she's the best one.
Okay. Yeah, you should be the best one.
I'm really sure she is.
The girl who got a license, failed 4 times, and never used it afterwards. You're trusting me?
But it's different. Oh, this is so nice.
Oh my god. We're back at the Go Boats. I don't know if you remember it from last year.
Just feel free to.
That's where we're based. So the whole company just
It's
produces.
beautiful. Looks like something from Harry.
Yo, but I'm worried though.
Yeah?
Because it was on my bike. It was like shaking.
Yeah, but open it over the
Oh,
edge.
you
I
would
think.
love it. It's beautiful.
Woo! Where did it go? Did it fly away? Oh, you got it! Good job! Woo!
And this building is the architect center. You can also the tutorials. Oh my god!
These cups are fantastic. It's like it couldn't be more Danish.
I've never been on such a.
And Danish strawberries is the best.
I just love the distance because like Canada's what, like
Besides the views.
yeah, like everything is pretty big. The oldest.
It's very.
It's a very slim red one that's like super tiny, and apparently that's the oldest one in Copenhagen. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
The peas are like the most essential part of Danish summer. They're like
I would love to live here,
local.
but it's
Like
sweet.
Hov, skat, nu kommer der både.
Ej, for helvede. This is a little bit stressful. Because, you know, I failed my driver's license like 4 times before getting it, and I haven't been driven since because I'm so scared of driving. And this boat thing is not exactly making me feel better. Thanks, honey. I'm going into the side because we have a big sailboat on the back here trying to pass us. Okay, let's see. Hi, little duckies! Hello!
Hallo!
You guys are looking so cute. Ah, it's the Swedes.
Let's pass.
Yeah, the Swedes, that's fine. Look at the little duckies.
Do you think they like chips?
Yeah, try.
Duckies. Duckies.
Oh, aww, they love it. Here we have the tourists. And I'm saying that was us last year, baby. We took this.
This was fun though.
Oops. Right now I'm drifting out.
And do you?
Is it gonna be okay? I'm drifting away, I can't reach it.
I think just fine.
Is it okay? I think this place is by far among one of the most beautiful places in Copenhagen, but the thing is, it has to be seen from the water. So if you are in Copenhagen, I would definitely recommend you to rent a Go boat. This is the best decision that I've ever done, and I've done it every single time I was in Copenhagen. And now we're taking Sissel and Maria to see, and they're literally native Copenhageners and they've never been. So this is a unique experience you have to experience. Okay guys, we're parking. We're parking the boat. And this is the part where I always failed my driver's license, so let's see if I'm gonna pass the boat license test. You're looking at me, judging me so hard.
I'm not judging you.
No, he's looking at you like, oh, love this boat.
I'm smiling at you making money right now.
Hvor skal vi parkere? Okay, fint, tak. Fino. Okay, I'm gonna take that right here.
No, I assume like similar to like Norwegian, like right hand.
Okay, maybe not that right here.
You're such a great captain. Okay?
Thank you guys, thank you.
Oh, captain, my captain.
Oh, captain, my captain. This is me. Oh shoot. We have
hold their hand because
officially,
one of them fell.
and I think it went really well.
It's so cute.
Goodbye, boat. Bye bye. Fun. Yeah. Now I think we're gonna go and jump from that. Yeah, of course I'm gonna jump.
You're gonna be the number 3?
No, I'm gonna jump from the top.
Okay, cool.
And we're ready to jump into the water.
Do it.
Is she gonna do the third? Gold medal jump. This is a Victoria's Secret model. Is it are you a mermaid?
I'm a mermaid. Do you see me?
Are you a mermaid? Yeah. Kom så skat. Fuck, du er sindssyg. Ah! Oh my fucking god. Ah! Meanwhile, Jake and Maria are watching Tour de France and chilling. Oh my god. Hi Jake, are you sleeping?
Oh, it's so hot.
It's very good though, it's good. It's super good.
I'm gonna make ramen in a way that Korean armies eat.
Yummy.
Yeah, if you guys watch the Netflix show TP, this is the way that we eat ramen in Korean army.
Okay, yeah, definitely al dente. So do the Korean army guys usually eat it like a little bit undercooked?
Yeah.
Guys, this is so good. Okay, either way, we are leaving Copenhagen tomorrow. We're having a couple of days together with my family. We're just gonna have like a chill time, and it's gonna be very nice, healing. So after that, on the 26th of July, we're heading to Paris. So I'll see you in Paris. That seems crazy to like say because I'm so excited. I've never been like to Paris with you.
See you there, guys. Bye.